Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, the place where we share simple and powerful trading strategies that actually work. In today's video, I'm revealing a super accurate 1-minute pocket option strategy using just two indicators, the Alligator and the Momentum indicator. It's easy to follow, works great for beginners and pros, and yes, it can help boost your win rate if used correctly. Now here's the cool part. This strategy uses a basic alligator crossover, confirmed by the momentum trend, and I'll explain everything step by step. I'll also share the exact indicator settings later in the video, so watch till the end to get the complete setup. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming profitable trading tricks. Quick disclaimer, binary options trading involves financial risk. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Always trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Here's how the strategy works. When the Alligator Indicator white line crosses above the red line and the Momentum Indicator is above zero, go for a buy trade. When the Alligator Indicator red line crosses above the white line and Momentum is below zero, take a sell trade, use 1-minute candles and a 2-minute expiry for each trade. Best time to use. This strategy, trade during the European and New York sessions. And remember, avoid high-impact news events. Risk management tips. Trade with a cool mind. No emotions. Risk only 1% to 5% of your capital per trade. Never risk more than 10% of your total account. Start on a demo account and practice first. Backtest the strategy on historical charts for better accuracy. Also, don't forget to check the video description for full setup instructions, bonus tips, and resources to help you master this strategy. Ready to see it in action? Let's jump into the live trade example and watch this strategy in real market conditions. Let's go. As you can see here, the red line has crossed above the white line of the alligator. This is our first signal for a potential downtrend. At the same time, look at the momentum indicator below. It's starting to dip below the zero level, giving us the second confirmation. This is our cue to enter a sell trade with a 2-minute expiry. The price is moving in our favor. The candles are below the alligator lines, and the momentum stays negative. This confirms that the trend is continuing downwards, a good sign for our trade. As the trade closes, the price hovered near our entry level and just touched a small retracement. This trade closed at break-even with loss, showing us the importance of entry timing and price volatility. Not every trade ends in profit, and that's okay. What matters is using a tested strategy with proper confirmations, like the one we're using here. Keep watching till the end. More live trade examples and full settings coming up. Take a close look. Right after a strong bearish drop, the white line of the alligator crosses above the red line, signaling a potential upward shift in momentum. At the same time, if you notice below, the momentum indicator is clearly rising above the zero line. That's our second confirmation. So based on these signals, I placed a buy trade with 2-minute expiry. As the trade progresses, bullish candles start forming one after another. The white line stays above the red line and the momentum continues building. That's a sign of strength and trend continuation. It's very important to let the setup play out. No early exits. And the trade expires deep in the money. As you can see, we close this trade with a solid profit. This is why following clear rules and waiting for both confirmations can give you high-quality entries. Always remember, it's not about more trades, it's about better trades. Now let's quickly look at the indicator settings so you can set this strategy up exactly like I did. Alligator indicator settings, jaws period, 13, jaws shift, 1, teeth, period, 7, teeth shift, 5, lips period, 6, lips shift, 2, style colors, lips white, teeth orange, jaws blue, momentum indicator settings, period, 10. Keep the main line color, white for both up and down moves for a clean look. Once your chart looks like this, you're all set to try this powerful strategy. Final tips before you start trading. Practice this on a demo account first. Get comfortable before going live. Stick to 1-minute candles with a 2-minute expiry for best results. Only trade during stable market sessions like European and New York hours. Avoid trading during major news events. They can cause unexpected spikes. Most importantly, follow strict risk management. Don't risk more than 5% per trade. Check the video description for a full strategy summary, settings, and bonus tips. If you found this strategy helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next powerful setup. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next strategy video. Until then, happy trading and stay smart.